Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful, most gracious, and the source of all knowledge. My name is Engineer Zainul Abdin, and I would like to warm welcome to all of you by saying the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our previous lecture, we have seen what are the physical quantities, and we have seen there are actually two types of quantities that exist in this world. The first one is actually the measurable quantities, and the second one is the non-measurable quantities. All the measurable quantities are termed as the physical quantities, suppose length, mass, and time, while the non-measurable quantities are the emotions, like you can see pain, happiness, sadness. All these are the emotions. So in our today's lecture, we will see what are the international system of units. It is commonly also known as System International SI unit as well. In ancient time, we used to measure the length in various types of unit. Nowadays, you can see length is actually measured in meters, centimeter, in inches, and in feet, and a lot of units of like nanometer, micrometer, decimeter, hectometer. Lot of units for the measurement of lengths are there. But there was a unit that is known as cubit. Cubit was the actually unit that was actually used by the Egyptians. So it creates some problem while measuring the length. So therefore, to reduce this problem, the scientists gathered themselves in Paris in 1960. There was the 11th General Conference of International Committee of Weights and Measures, and they have decided some units that will be same as the worldwide. Suppose the unit of kilogram, unit of mass is actually kilogram, so this unit is similar in America and in Europe as well, and in Pakistan as well. We have the standard unit of length is meter, so this unit is similar in America, Europe, and worldwide this unit is same. No doubt different units are also used. Suppose we can use the unit of mass, we can measure the mass in grams, we can measure the length in inches, in feet as well. But the standard unit that can be used worldwide, and it has been decided by the scientists, the standard unit for the mass is actually kilogram, and the standard unit for the length is meter. So from here you have to learn, you should learn from this paragraph complete. In 1960, the 11th General Conference of the International Committee on Weights and the Measures recommended that all the countries of the world should adopt a system of the same kind of standard units. This conference recommended the use of International System of Units. It is abbreviated as SI. According to this system, the units of length, mass, and time or volume given below. So after this, you should learn this table. In this table, you can see length is actually represented by the symbol L, and its unit is meter, and its symbol is represented by meter. M, small m. Mass is represented by small m, and its unit is kilogram, and its symbol is kg. Time is, the unit of time is second, and it is represented by the smaller t, and the second is denoted by the s, and the volume is actually denoted by the capital V. Here you have to memorize and clarify yourself. The volume is represented by the capital V, and cubic meter is the unit, and it is written as the 1 cubic meter. After this, an interesting information is there for you. 1 meter cube is actually 100,000 liters, and 1 liter is actually equal to 1000 milliliters and 1000 cubic centimeters. Okay. So in our today's lecture, you should learn only these paragraphs in 1962 up to this table, and you have to learn this extra information. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. I am there for you. Thank you very much.